Right, here we have the Vauxhall Movano work van. Super nice and clean in the cab. No air conditioning. Beacon lights, interior lights in the back. She's the 6-speed manual transmission with the 2.3 chain-driven engine. Additional phone sockets here. No warning lights on the dash, hardly any juice in it, only 101,000 miles. Three sprinter seats in the back, which aren't included. Side loading door handle, it came without one on it, so we put one on it, but the job hasn't been complete because the door card's still off and there's a few components on the ground, so that does want doing. Nice racking. Must be an inverter and then the leisure battery on this vehicle. There's a 90 to control repair. Whether it's isolated or not, I don't know, but that doesn't seem to be turning on. Let's see if the unit is actually here anyway. Yeah, the night heater is still in the box. It's an Ellis battery default. These lockers are quite good. Pretty good. Hand wash basin at the rear. Ceiling mounted LEDs. Well, there's quite a few 240 volt sockets in this. One would believe that it must be more than 1,000 watt inverters then, but I can't be certain without doing a bit more of an investigation. Let's see what I can find out here. A few bolts are going to have to be removed to determine that one, I think. Bodywork wise, obviously the galvanised, you don't really see any rot on these. But bodywork wise, it's nice and clean. Rear step, tow bar. It's a bit mucky, to be fair. I want a bit of a clean. Those doors close nice. Looks like it's got a deadlock on the rear as well. Let's see if it's got a deadlock key on the key ring. The answer to that question is no. And there's a key there. Well, a glove box that shuts on one of these Movanos, that's pretty unheard of. See what I can see down here. Changing wheel jack. Let's see if this is the key for the van. More disappointment. And that deadlock there has been removed / smashed out. So a couple of bad points on this van, to be fair. Here's the inverter isolator. It looked like something's been disconnected on here. Not the end of the world, not a huge job, something we can do. Well, all the doors seem to shut nice. That pretty much concludes it. Give that like an 8.2 out of 10.